Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog episode, as you can probably already tell by the title of the video, I will be going through my flight attendant slash travel makeup kit, aka the stuff that I bring when I do fly for work. So if you're interested in knowing what's inside this precious makeup kit, please keep on watching. But before anything, for those who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Michelle. I am a Filipino-Canadian who mostly does travel vlogs, Disney videos, Disney related videos. I am currently doing this new YouTube series which is makeup related videos. I do flight attendant related videos, flight attendant layover vlogs, and sometimes or once I did an ASMR video, and I'm probably gonna do more of those, and lifestyle in general. So if you are interested in one or more of, or perhaps all of these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll get an update as soon as I have uploaded a video. And that's all you need to do. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So let us start off by looking at the actual bag. So I got this Sephora bag, I believe close to 5 years ago. It's just a simple leather makeup bag that does have one zipper that opens up like so. Look at that. I know I should be getting something a little bit bigger than this, but for the purpose of traveling for work or just for going on vacation, I feel like this size will do me well so that I don't overpack my makeup. Not that I have a lot, but I'm just saying this is the perfect size for me, although you can see it's really full. So we're just gonna go through all of the stuff here one at a time. Again, so these are just the stuff that I usually bring for when I go travel for work per se. I do have some other makeup stuff over there, mostly for contour, the bigger stuff, but let's be honest, we cannot really pack all our makeup, so these are the essentials right over here. We're gonna start off with the primer, and this is what I use. It's from Sephora. It's the Beauty Amplifier Smooth Base Ultra Smoothing Primer. So I'm not really picky in the primer that I use. So long as I have a base, I have a primer that I use, I'm good to go. Okay, so moving on to the foundation, I am using the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow, and this is in the shade 205. It does only have a medium coverage, but it does its work on my skin. The last thing I would want is to wear a foundation, a full-on glam, full-on look at work for 14 hours straight, and it just irritates my skin. Moving on to the concealer, I am also using the Infallible Pro Glow, and this is in the shade 04. Again, these two go hand in hand. I love that A, it's not as expensive, and B, it's lightweight, and C, it does its job by offering a medium coverage. That's just right for work. I usually have a contouring palette, which is from Kat Von D, the light and shade palette, but that is a huge palette, and it does fit in this kit, but it's just gonna be bulky, so I normally don't bring that to work. Instead, I'm being a little bit more creative and using a bronzer as the contour. This is from Smashbox, and it's the Warm Matte Bronze Lights. So this is the one I use if I want to contour and use what you've got, right? As you probably have already seen in my other video when I did the eye makeup tutorial, I do love the Tartelette in Bloom, but sometimes I just want to wear something really natural for work, and hence I skip the smoky look. I instead bring the Morphe palette that I have. This palette is called 9B, 9 Bravo. So again, let me just quickly show you the colors in this palette. Okay. So for work purposes, I just go for the natural bronze look. Can you see that? Look at all those shades. So pretty, right? So this is what I usually use when I do my makeup for work. It's just because it's easy. You can play around with the color. It doesn't really attract too much attention, because that's the last thing I want to do. Okay, so moving on to the brushes. I do bring my whole set of brushes here. Again, I'm not a makeup expert, makeup guru, but I know that I need all of these brushes for me to be able to achieve the eye makeup look that I pretty much showed you on my other video, or just like a simple look, because again, you gotta have a blending brush tool, you gotta have a crease brush tool, you gotta have a flat brush tool. I'm not gonna go into too much detail for this one. Brushes, the basic. And then I do have this one for my blush. Just gonna quickly show you a brush that I use when I contour my face. And again, as mentioned, I do have a Kat Von D contouring palette, but I don't usually bring them with me. However, I always gotta have this contouring brush, and again, this is from Kat Von D. It's just a contouring brush. So if I show you, this brush over here is for contouring. So pretty much you contour, right? And then the other side is for highlighting. So highlight, 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 highlight. So I gotta have this brush. It's really, really good. And then onto the blush, I actually use these two products right over here. And the first one is from Tarte, and this is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and it's in the shade Exposed. Just to give you a quick... Does that focus? Sometimes if I'm not really satisfied with the actual blush, I also add the stain, the lip tint, like the lip cheek stain, I think that's what they call it. So so this is from Benefit, and it's the rose tinted lip and cheek stain. So I love this one. Actually halfway done, so just hang in there. We're moving on to the mascara here. First of all, this is just a regular eyelash curler, nothing fancy about this one. I got this particular eyelash curler in Japan back in 2017, and it still looks good as new, so I'm not complaining. And then the mascara brand that I use is the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if this focus. Yeah. Honestly guys, this is my absolute favorite mascara of all time, because it gives me that bold lashes that I want. Again, just because I barely use falsies and I want to have that really bold lashes as much as possible. So highly recommended. On to the eyeliner. Here we go. So the first one here, this is again from Kat Von D, the Tattoo Liner, and it's a liquid liner. It does look like that. I only apply this on my upper waterline just to give it some boldness. And then this one is from Happy Skin. It's a brand in the Philippines. My sister got this one for me. This is just like a gel eyeliner. So this one, on top of that liquid tattoo liner, I apply this one directly to the waterline at the top and the bottom. Again, gives that bold look that I go for. The brow pencil. And this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in medium brown. I normally just use a brow pencil just because I don't really go for like that full brow look, if that makes sense. Like this one is okay for me. I just like to fill in the gaps pretty much, and the brow pencil does last like about a year for me. So this works, and I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is very random. I also do bring with me the Clinique makeup remover. This is just like a sample size I got from Sephora, but I usually bring that whole makeup remover wipes But just in case I forget that, at least I have this backup with me. So it's really important. I love that it's small and compact. Look how small that is, right? So we're gonna move on to my actual favorite type of makeup, and that is lipstick. Oops! These are not the ones I actually have. These are just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my favorite shades, and hence I bring all of these. This is from Maybelline, and it's the Super Stay Ink Crayon. I usually don't buy crayon lipstick, but I just had to try this one out. It's really nice as well. It does stay for some time throughout the day. This is my go-to lipstick actually. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's in the shade Allison. I love this. It matches with any outfit, I am telling you guys. And then I also tried the Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, and this is the liquid style that does have a matte finish. And again, I did a review of this in one of my YouTube videos a few months ago, and it's the exact same shade that I still use, and this is 115 Founder. I love this dark lipstick. Very handy for when I am lazy to go put on some makeup. I'm just gonna apply that one dark lipstick and I'm good to go. I also have this other shade from Maybelline, Super Stay Matte Ink as well, and this is in the shade 130 Self Starter. It does have like a warm orangey tone to it. And then my latest favorite, you guys, this is from Sephora. This is their cream lip stain in the shade 85. And I love the pink tone, the matte finish that it just gives. Last two stuff inside the kit, and this is just a setting spray, Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I know a lot of YouTubers, a lot of celebrities, a lot of people use this one as their setting spray. I love this one as well. I bought the smaller one again just because I travel and I need something that's really compact. So this is just like setting spray. I also have my sponge here just to blend the foundation and the concealer. I carry a case with me. This is just a sponge case that I got from Sephora. It does have the holes just so you can air dry it while having the sponge protected in this case. And that is it, you guys. I just finished going through my FA travel makeup kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and let me know what other videos I should be making in the next few weeks, months, years. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I hope you guys are doing well. Please stay safe, stay home, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a good day. Bye.